everyone. Today we will start inshallah with our book Reading Street 1.3, and I want you to open on page 16. Page 16. We will talk about vowel sounds of Y. Vowel sounds of Y. What do we mean by that? We know that we have 5 vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, U, and O. So these are the vowels. These are the vowels A, E, I, U, and O. But what about Y? Here I will tell you a story about Y. Y sometimes wants to be a vowel and play with the vowels. But the vowels said to Y, no, you can't play with us. You aren't a vowel. So here, Y decided to wear like a thief. So here you can see this Y is a thief, and it's still the sound of E and I. Still the sound of E and I. Y decided to wear like a thief, we said, and steal the sound of I and E. He said to himself, if the word has 1 syllable, I will be I. If the word has 2 or more syllables, I will be E. We will see that. So if the word has just 1 syllable, the sound of Y will be I, like sky, sky. Do you remember what the meaning of syllable? We said the syllable of a word, it's part, or maybe it will be a word like here. But this word has what? 1 vowel. So if the word has 1 vowel, it's 1 syllable. If it has more than 1 vowel, it has more than 1 syllable. So here we have this word, it has just 1 vowel. This vowel here is Y, and the sound of it, I, sky, sky. And here we will see these words also. Fly, fly. This word also has 1 syllable. Y, it has only 1 syllable. Shy, shy. My, buy, and try. So these words have 1 syllable, and the sound of Y here, I. Don't forget, the sound of Y here, I. And if the word has 2 or more syllables, the sound of Y will be E. Like these words we have here, body. So here we have what? We have 2 syllables. 2 syllables. Don't forget. We have 1 vowel, 2 vowels, so it has 2 syllables. So the sound of Y here, E, body. The second word we have fuzzy, okay? And also this word has what? 2 syllables. 2 syllables, okay? Here we have 1 vowel, 2 vowels, so it has 2 syllables. The sound of Y here, E, fuzzy. Now, sunny, also it has 2 syllables. U, 1 vowel, Y, 2 vowels, so I have what? 2 syllables. The sound of Y is E. Muddy. Now here we have also 2 what? Syllables. We have what? 2 vowels. U and Y. So it has 2 parts. Lucky. This word also has 2 syllables. U, Y, okay? the sound of Y here, E, E. Now this word, puppy, puppy, okay? Here we have what? Two vowels, two syllables, the sound of Y, E. Happy, happy. Also here I have two syllables, I have two vowels, the sound of this vowel is E. Rusty, rusty. I have two syllables, I have two vowels, the sound of Y here, E. But the words that end with A-Y, the sound of it will be A, okay? Like day, day, play, play, stay, stay. So here I have two vowels. I said if we have two vowels, the first comes, the first talks. So day, day, we have long A. Play, play, we have long A. Stay, stay, we have long A. And now I want you to open your book, Readers and Writers Notebook, to do this page 313. 313. In this page we have these words. We will choose or circle the word for each picture. Here we have fry and baby, I-E. Here we have puppy or pot, puppy or pot, we have puppy. Flop or fly, flop or fly, we have a fly. Muddy or meat, muddy or meat, we have muddy. These words have what? Y at the end of it, and the sound of Y here, E, I, E. Okay? Bunny, ball, bunny, ball. This is a bunny, and this word ends with Y, the sound of it, E. Crib, cry, cry. So the boy here is crying, and we will choose a cry, cry. It ends with Y, the sound of it, I. Sit, city, city. In this word we have Y, the sound of it, E. Sky, sky. It ends with Y, the sound of it, I. Had, happy, happy. So the word here ends with Y, the sound of it, E. Here I have in your book, reading book, page 17, we have high frequency words. I want you to read these words after me many times and to study these words. We have things, things. So what do you mean by things? Tell me, what do you mean by things? Objects that one need. Objects that one need. We have always, always, we mean every time or all the time. Always, every time or all the time. We have day, day. We have become, become, to start to be, to start to be. Nothing, nothing, and not anything. Stays, stays. We mean by it to not move away from a place, to not move away from a place. And we have everything, everything, we mean it by it, all things, all things. So these words are important. I want you to read them many times and to study them. And here we have these sentences. We will read these sentences. So here we will put these words in these sentences. This frisky puppy will become, it will become a dog one day. It will become a dog one day. Become and dog, the day. Everything, everything in my desk always stays in its place. Everything in my desk always stays in its place. We have everything, we have always, and stays. Libby sees nothing in the sky but things that fly. Libby sees nothing in the sky but things that fly. So these are the new words that we have for today.